Okay, so let us continue with the question number third, which is subtract 5y square from y square. Now, same as addition, it is subtraction is there. So, first term is your minus 5y square from y square. So, we have to take this term from y. After this, from which term is there? This second term we will write first. Okay, then subtract means minus sign. Okay, then first term minus 5y square. Okay, so as I told you, two signs we cannot write together, so we will write this one in bracket. Now while opening the bracket, y square as it is minus minus plus 5y square, same like terms we can add, it will come 5 plus 1 6y square. This is the answer. Same method for second question. Second sum is subtract 6xy from minus 12xy. So what we can do, same method. First we will write the second term 12xy, then subtract means minus sign, then first term 6xy, which we will write in bracket. Okay, then minus 12xy minus 6xy, minus minus will be plus, but sign minus 12 plus 6 18, 18xy is the answer. So like this way we can solve the next question. Okay, so I'll explain you. See this one here, third one, a minus b from a plus b. So first we will write the second term a plus b. Subtraction is there, that's why minus sign, then a minus b. Now here first term a plus b we will write as it is. While opening the bracket, before this bracket minus sign is there, so inside sign will be changed, minus minus plus. Now positive negative will be cancelled out, b and b both are positive, so it will be added, so it will come 2b. Okay, same for fourth one, subtract a b minus 5 from this. So first we will write the second term b 5 minus a, then for subtraction minus sign, then first term a b minus 5. Now first we will multiply this b in this both the terms. So first we will multiply 5 into b 5b, then minus sign 5 this a into b minus ab, then minus a into b ab, then minus minus plus, a into 5 means 5 into a. Okay, now 5a minus minus will be plus, so it will be like term will be added, but sign will come minus, minus 2ab, then plus 5a. Now answer we can write 5a plus 5b minus 2ab. Okay, now question number 50 you can see same method. First we will write the second term, then subtract means minus sign, then first term we will write in bracket. Now first this term we will write as it is, minus minus will be plus, while opening the bracket sign is changed, plus minus minus 5mn. Now we will collect the like term m square term, then minus mn term, then plus 8 as it is. Now 4 plus 1 5m square, minus minus will be plus, but sign minus, so it will come minus 8mn plus 8. Now here plus minus minus 8mn. This is the answer. Now see the sixth question. Sixth question as it is, subtract minus x square plus 10x minus 5 from this. So first we will write the second term first, then minus sign, then first one. Okay, now here you can see while opening the bracket sign will be changed, minus minus plus, plus minus minus, minus minus plus. Now first we will write square x square, then plus x term we will write in bracket like terms, then plus, then minus 10, and then plus 5. Now you will see x square as it is, plus minus minus 10 minus 5 bigger number sign, so minus 5x will come, plus minus minus 10 minus 5 minus 5 will come, bigger number sign. Okay, so this is the solution. Now see the seventh sum. Same method for this seventh one. While opening the bracket, you have to change the inside sign. And now we will collect the like term AB term, here A square term, here B square term. Okay, now it will become 10AB, it will become minus minus plus, but sign minus, minus 7A square. then it will become minus minus plus 7b square, plus minus minus plus minus minus. This is the answer. Now see the last one, question number 8. This question number 4th, 8 sum. Subtract this from this. So second term, this one first we will write, then subtract means minus sign, then this term, then now while opening this bracket we will change inside the sign. It will become plus, it will become plus. Now we will collect the like terms, which is p square term. We will collect 5p square, 3p square, then plus 3 square, then uh, plus 3q square, plus 5q square, then minus pq, then minus 4pq. Now it is become 8pq, the p square, it will become 3q square, and it is minus minus plus, but sign minus, it 4 plus 1 minus 5pq. Now plus minus minus. So this is the solution of this question. Now we'll continue with the question number 4. Now see, in this question number 4, the question is, what should be added to x square plus xy plus y square to obtain 2x square plus 3xy? So here we have to find the required expression, like which expression we can add to get this answer. So let the required expression be, here a xy term is given, so we can suppose let the required expression be a. Okay, now in this a, what should be added? Okay, so see what should be added in this to get this one. So if you will in this term, x square plus xy plus y square, if you will add this plus a to obtain 2x square plus 3xy. Okay, this term, what should be added? So that particular term, if you will suppose that that term is a, to get the answer this. Okay, so here first what we have to find, this required expression value. So this a we will write as it is, this term we will write as it is, 2x square plus 3xy. Now this term, this expression we will take right hand side. So this is the positive expression. When you will transpose to right hand side, it will become negative expression. Okay, so we while transposing, sign will be changed. Now here, while opening the bracket, you have to change the sign inside the bracket. So it will come x square plus minus minus xy plus minus minus y square. Now you will collect the like terms. So 2x square term, here minus x square, then plus 3xy minus xy, then what is remaining? Minus y square. Now a, as it is 2 minus 1, so x square will remain, then plus 3 minus 1, so 2xy will remain positive, and minus y square, and the answer is x square minus y square minus plus 2xy. This is the solution of this question. Same method you can follow for the second one, b sum. Here just opposite, it is given like what should be subtracted from this to get this answer. So we can suppose let the required expression, here the term is given in ABC, AB. So that time we can suppose let the required expression be x. Okay, now from this term, what should be subtracted? From this term, what should be subtracted? So first we will write this term, and then we can suppose we can required expression we have suppose x, so that term we can subtract to get this term. Okay, so is equal to this term. Now we will transpose this minus x to right hand side, it will become plus x, and we will transpose this term to left hand side, so it will become this whole term we will transpose, so it will become minus term. Okay, and this term we are transposing, minus x we are transposing to here, so it will become plus. Okay, and this term we will write as it is. Now while opening the bracket, this minus minus will be plus, plus minus minus plus minus minus. So here collect the like terms and solve, you will get this answer. Now we will solve question number 5. It is also like same as it is, so you can see how to solve this question first. So first of all, if you will suppose see what should be taken from 3x square minus 4y square plus 5xy plus 20 to obtain this term. So we can suppose let the required expression. Now this question is given in xy variable, so we can suppose a. Okay, so means what should be taken from this term. So from this term means first we have to write this term 3x square minus 4y square plus 5xy plus 20. From this what should be taken out means what should be taken out from this term. So we can suppose let that required term we can taken out from this to obtain this expression. So to obtain this expression, that we will write. Now we need to find the value of this a. So what we can do, we can transpose this minus a to right hand side, and this whole term we will transpose to left hand side to get the value of this a. Okay, because we have to find the value of what should be the required expression, that value we need to find. So first this term 3x square minus 4y square plus 5xy plus 20 we will write as it is. Now we are transposing this term, so this whole term we are transposing, so it will be minus x square minus y square plus 6xy plus 20, and when you will transpose this minus a to right hand side, it will become plus a. Okay, now you will solve. Okay, so how you will solve, see this 3x square as it is minus 4y square as it is plus 5xy as it is plus 20 as it is. Now minus minus plus, while opening the bracket sign will be changed, minus minus plus y square plus minus minus 6xy plus minus minus 20 is equal to a. Now see, positive 20 negative 20 will be cancelled out, then 3x square plus x square, we will collect the like terms, then plus minus 4y square, this 4y square, and this plus 4 plus y square we will collect, then plus 5xy, and this minus 6xy we will collect, then is equal to a. Now solve 3x plus square plus 4x square, 4x square plus plus minus minus, so it will come minus 3y square, then plus, then it will come 6xy minus xy is equal to a. 4x square as it is plus minus minus 3y square plus minus minus xy is equal to a. Means this answer we got, a expression answer we got this. This is the solution of this question. Okay, now same method for question number 6 we will do. Okay, in next video.